In class today, we talked about multiplying two-digit numbers two different ways, the traditional way and the box method. This is the traditional way. You write the numbers 35 times 42. Then you multiply the 2 times the 5. That gives you 10, so you put your 0 here and your 1 up here. And then you multiply the 2 times the 3 on top. That gives you 6, and you add 1, giving you 7. I then crossed out my 1 because I had already used it. Then I put a 0 here because we're moving into the tens place. So we need a 0 here as a placeholder for the ones. 4 times 5 is 20. Put a 0 here and I carry my 2 up. Then I do 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 2, which is 14, and I add it all together, giving me 1,470. Or you can use the box method, where we break the numbers apart. You had 35 and 42. So we do 30 and 5, which make 35, and 40 and 2, which make 42. And then you multiply each of them. You can do mental math for most of this. 30 times 40, you do 3 times 4, which is 12, and then you add 2 zeros because there are 2 zeros. Then you do 5 times 4, which is 20, and you add 1 zero to give you 200. Then you do 30 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and you add the 0, giving you 60. 5 times 2 is 10. So you multiply each, and then you add them all together. 1,200 plus 200 plus 60 plus 1 gives you 1,470. These are the two different ways that you can multiply two-digit numbers and one-digit numbers or larger numbers. You just need to make extra boxes depending on the size of the numbers.